Shut up and sit down.
Greetings, fellow Earth travelers. Oblix here. Today I want to take just a second to talk to you about what's inside here. This, guys, is a brand new watch for me from the most powerful watch manufacturer, let me channel my inner Jeremy Clarkson, in the world. That's right. Now, quick wrist check. I am wearing the first watch I ever got in my life. Way back when I was in elementary school. A mirror-faced Swatch. Check that bad boy out. Swiss quartz. It is old. It has seen a better day or two, but I still love it. This is the watch I learned how to tell time on. And as you can tell, there are no indices, so I had to learn how to tell time, like for reals. Very cool. Anyway, I might give you a little hint about what's inside. Opening duties today by the Benchmade Osborne. Excellent piece. Was a daily driver for years. I've since moved on, but every now and then I like to pull it out. All right, inside. Well, it looks like a Nintendo Switch, doesn't it? Swatch, well branded. And let's get the box and packaging out of the way. Alright, here we go. Very cool. Now, it is somewhat reminiscent of me old mirror design from so long ago. And it's very, very minimalist. Very, very plain. Let's crack this bad boy open. Oh, bringing back history. History, I tell you. Peel the plastic off. And we've got the old familiar Swatch design. So let me get you guys moved in. Alright, so here we go. Got you guys all moved down. And you can see this guy is pretty much a whiteout, which I really think that looks cool. So we've got the white dial with the slightly off-white indices, the very light gray day-date complication at the 3 o'clock, white hands, just really, really cool looking. About the only thing of color on here is the crown, which is silver. You know, these are very simple watches, but they'll last forever, as you can tell. You know, it's trucked on for years and years. They keep great time. Now, I did mention this is the most powerful watch manufacturer in the world. I don't do it justice, but yeah, for those that don't know, the Swatch Group, which is the parent of the Swatch Company, originally was the Swatch Company and grew up and bought a whole bunch of other companies. They own brands like Omega, or Omega if you prefer, Blancpain, Breguet, Rado, Longines, Hamilton, Calvin Klein, Tissot. I mean, tons of very well-known brands. You know, you're walking around with your Omega Seamaster, and you got your little swagger on, like, yeah, got me a nice watch. Well, you're wearing a Swatch, bro. You're absolutely wearing a Swatch. Not exactly, but it definitely came from the same company. You know, you got your Tissot or your Longines. You're like, oh, you got swag, baby, swag. Nah, you got a Swatch, bro. Just saying. So... yeah, definitely the most powerful company in the world, watch-wise. I'll try to do a picture here where it shows all the different companies they own. They own tons. You know, by far the biggest that's out there today. So, this is just a quick unboxing. Wanted to show you this guy. Now, I bought this directly from Swatch. And as you can see, it was 75 bucks. So, 75 bucks for a little piece of history. You can see the model number there, SUOW701. You know, and just like I said, for me, it's a little piece of history. little something to remember, and I think a really cool looking piece. The fun thing about Swatch is they have so many different colors and styles, and they're constantly changing. Every year you go look, there's a different set. There's always something new and exciting there. You know, if you can't find a coloration you like in a swatch, then you just didn't look hard enough. That simple. So many different colorations. A real fun watch to toss on the weekends when you're just hanging out, when you're having a good time with friends, whatnot. Something you don't really care about if it gets, you know, beaten, mangled. It's definitely not something to wear to a hard work site. But like I said, just hanging out at the pool, going to the beach, having fun on the weekend, sitting around with your buds. It's a great piece, a fun piece. With all the different colorations, you can mix and match to your heart's content. And you get the benefit of saying, you've got a Swiss watch. That's right, Swiss-made Swatch. Little fun fact, by the way, Swatch actually has meaning, the name. If you notice, it's SWATCH. So the word watch is in there, right? The S has meaning outside the word watch. It means second. So Swatch stands for second watch. Ultimately, it was designed to be, a second watch to your, Omega or your, Longines. You didn't want to wear those, when you were going out and having a burger with the family, you toss your second watch, your Swatch on days like that. So that's where the name originally came from. Just a little fun fact. Anyway, that's all the time I got for today. Sure do appreciate you guys coming and hang out with me, as always. And until next time, you guys get out there and make some noise. See ya.